Welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this Yin Yoga for Athletes focusing on the abs and the obliques. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin coming into a seated position with one foot in front of the other. It doesn't matter which foot. And from here on your next inhale, let's bring our hands up towards the sky. Exhale, twisting to the right, bringing your right hand, right arm behind you, acting as a second spine, and letting your left hand just rest on your right leg here. Just make sure you avoid the right knee. And as you inhale here, try and lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, just gently twist. We'll be here for about 90 seconds. And on your next exhale, slowly, mindfully release, come back to center. From here, let's take it over to the other side. So inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, twisting to our left hand, left arm behind you, acting as a second spine, letting your right hand rest on your left leg. Just make sure you avoid the left knee. And from here, as you inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Feel free to close your eyes here as well. Exhale, slowly, mindfully come back to center. Great job, you guys. From here, let's make our way into an extended child's pose. So let's take our knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. And then from here, just start to walk your hands along in front of you, letting your forehead rest in the mat here. Now from here, let's walk our hands just off the left side of our mat and come into a child's pose here. So you should feel a really nice stretch on the right side of the body here. Now from here, let's just take it over to the other side. So walking the hands just off the right side of our mat. And again, coming into a child's pose here. So you should feel a nice stretch on the left side body. And exhale, mindfully release, come back to center. From here, let's shift forward and we'll take a high cobra. So knees on the mat, extending the legs out long behind you, keeping the hands right underneath the shoulders, opening up the chest, opening up the heart. Keep your core just slightly engaged here, and feel free to roll your shoulders back to open up even more. Again, I encourage you to close your eyes and just come back to your breath. And on your next exhale here, let's make our way onto our backs. Take your time getting there. And then once you do get there, let's hug our knees into our chest and wrap your arms around your legs, giving yourselves a nice big hug. Feel free to rock side to side. And now from here, we'll make our way into a supine twist, starting with our right leg. So let's hug our right knee into our chest, extend our left leg out long, and then from here, guide our right knee over to the left side. Our right arm can come into a T or a cactus, and in this pose, really make sure both shoulders are firmly rooted in the mat. So if the right shoulder is coming up off the mat like this, see if you can just dial it back, keeping both shoulders firmly rooted. from here on your next exhale, mindfully bring it back to center. And from here, let's just take it over to the other side, extending that right leg long, hugging our left knee back into our chest. And then from here, guiding our left knee over to the right side. Left arm can come into a T or a cactus. Again, make sure this left shoulder is firmly rooted in the mat. So if your left shoulder is coming up off the mat, see if you can just dial it back. And on your next exhale, slowly bring it back to center. From here, we'll make our way into a banana pose. So basically making our body into the shape of a banana. So let's start by bringing our body, so the right side of our body is in line with the right side of our mat. And then once we're here, let's bring our left foot to the left corner of our mat and then cross our right foot over the left. And let's bring our arms up overhead, and same thing with our arms. So let's shift our body, making a banana shape. So bring your arms over to the left corner of the mat, and grabbing onto your right wrist with the left hand. Breathing here. And exhale, mindfully release. And bring your arms down, give them a little shake. Now from here, we'll take it over to the other side. So bringing the left side of our body in line with the left side of our mat. And then from here, bring our right foot to the right corner of your mat. And then step that left foot over the right. And then same thing with our arms, bringing our arms up overhead. Bringing them to the right corner of the mat, grabbing onto the left wrist with the right hand. Coming back to your breath. next exhale, mindfully release from here to make our way into final Savasana, taking up some space, extending the legs out long, extending the arms out long. I encourage you to close your eyes here and just come back to your breath, letting the body and the mind reap all the benefits from today's practice. So I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you're ready to go, we can rock up, coming into a seated position of your choice. Wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to the third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.